Let's help them.
How is this for your face? I am so sorry. Let me get a new one. It's so oily, it's making my own hands feel disgusting. I've been dying to try this new highlighter on someone with your skin tone. The next step is my favorite part. The transformation begins. I have a deep-seated hatred for this product. This is what I call a wow factor. It's going to be spectacular. Absolutely not. You make this makeup look like a second skin. You have the most amazing bone structure. It's a happy surprise. This is why I do what I do. That highlight looks like actual starlight on your skin. So chic, so effortless. You're a vision. You look like a classic movie star. Look at how clear your eyes look with this liner. I'm so excited for you to see this. This is the product that ties everything together. Perfect! This is one of my favorite looks I've ever done. This is better than I even imagined in my head. Oh, wow! Look at you! A complete dream. The potential here is just thrilling. Okay, deep breath. We're building up to something truly special here. It's almost time. Just wait. I'm so ready to see this all come together. I'm holding my breath for this next part. I hope you're as excited as I am. Let's do this! The structure is there. Now for the color! The way this is coming together. Just wait until you see what this primer does. I've been dying to try this new highlighter on someone with your skin tone. Okay, deep breath. is going to be a work of art. This is going to be a showstopper, I promise. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Just wait. I am so excited to put this color on you. Let's add that shimmer. This eyeliner wing is going to be legendary. Make your eyes look huge. I'm just itching to get to the finishing touches. Hold still. This is the part that adds all the drama. The possibilities with your features are endless. This is going to exceed your expectations. I know it. I can't wait to see your reaction. Prepare yourself, because this is going to be gorgeous. Just thinking about the final photo gives me goosebumps. The final spritz of setting spray, the moment of completion. I'm so ready to see this all come together. The alchemy is happening right now. I'm eagerly awaiting the moment I can hand you the mirror. Just wait. I can already envision the final look.